In this video, I'll show you how to get the Deepgram API key. If you don't know what Deepgram is, it's an AI technology that allows you to convert speech to text, text to speech, create voice agents, and use audio intelligence features. To get your API key, visit the official Deepgram website through the link in the description. Once you're there, click Sign Up for Free in the top right corner and create your free account. After creating your account and logging in, you'll see your dashboard. The best thing about Deepgram is that it provides $200 in free credits, so you can use all its features without paying anything upfront. To get your API key, click the Free API Key option at the top. This takes you to the API Key dashboard. Here you'll see an option to create a new API key. Click on it. Enter a name for your API key. I'll enter Project 1. Then set the expiration for your API key. You can select Never or choose a specific duration, such as a number of days or a particular expiration date. I'll select Never for now. Below that, you have some advanced options. You can review them and adjust according to your preferences. I'll keep the defaults and click Create Key. After a few seconds, your API key appears. Click the Copy option and make sure you save it somewhere secure. For security reasons, don't share this key with anyone. Also, this API key will only be displayed once, so make sure you copy and store it in a safe place. Once copied, click Got it. Now you can use this API key in any of your projects to convert speech to text, text to speech, or access other Deepgram features. To test whether the API key works, I've built an app on Lovable that transcribes videos using the Deepgram API. Since we copied our API key, I'll paste it into the API key field here. I'll enable Remember on this device so I don't have to enter it every time. Now I simply need to upload a video file. I'll click this option, select a video file from my PC, and upload it. With the video uploaded, I'll click Transcribe at the bottom and wait while the app transcribes the entire video using the Deepgram API. As you can see, within seconds, our transcription is ready. You can copy the text, download it as TXT, download it as SRT, or download it in VTT format. If I go back to the API keys dashboard, you can see I have $199 in credits remaining. This is because I used it just now. If I refresh the page, the same amount remains. Scrolling down, I can see the number of requests that have been sent. This is how you can get and use the Deepgram API key and take advantage of the free credits it offers. That's all for this video. If you want to know how to get the 11 Labs API key, simply click on the video appearing on your screen.